Here we have to transform this array of object to a lookup object. A lookup object looks like this. It's an object with uh, key. We can put here uh, key as something like name, price, or category. Here we use key as a like id to like we can access directly without like dot find to like we don't have to use this array method every time to find that particular data or object for that id. We can do that only like data, then we pass that key here, then it will be give us that particular object for that id. So what we can do is let's create one function that will be create lookup object, and we can pass the array of object. We have data, and using that data how can we do so here we need this result as an object, so we can use the reduce method here. Let me create one variable that will be result and data dot reduce. Then we can destructure that here, but we need all the object also, so let's keep that as like product object, and we can destructure the like key destructure or store in variable key like product object dot what is the key, id will be key, so that key will that id I store in the key for every iteration, every object. And so initially it's an object for accumulator, and accumulator, then I put key for this object that will be this id, and inside this key what we have to store, we have to store this object, then we can return the accumulator. I hope it's not confusing for you. So we need key that we store in the variable, then inside this object we like put key that id, and in that like in that this key we add this object for every iteration. This that's it's simple and we don't have to like use that shorthand method here, because we have to add only one object for that key, its own like id for key. We can return a result from here, and we can get here console.log. If we run this node exercise, you can see same result. This is object with key that will be id, and inside this object. So how can we access this again? So if we like want to access this product 4, this one product for, then we don't have to like use find. We can store this all the result in one variable, like lookup object, and we can use this console.log lookup object. Then we can pass that id. We can use this also as a dynamic, we can store in the variable, so it will show only this data. So this will be more helpful if we have only like id for product. If we have only information about this product is only id, then we can create for that data this lookup object, then we can access this using this syntax. So let's access 4. As you can see directly, we don't have to like use like find method or filter method that will return array, and the find method return value that pass the condition of callback function. It won't return object or array, that find method. If you have any question for this exercise, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you.